Welcome to take 5. We're on day 6. Let's go ahead and get started. 5 minutes on the clock in 3, 2, 1. Have a seat on the ground for me. Good. Exhale, lay on your back, and then get started with bicycles. So we introduced these in day 1. And we're just going to kind of move a little bit side to side here to get that core warmed up, rocking, and strong. Nice job. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, keep twisting, 4, 3, nice work, 2, and then 1 and 1. Perfect. Now we're going 1, 2, 3, then switch. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Go. One more left. One more right. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Legs straight up into the air. All right. Exhale. Go ahead and lower those legs down super slow. Now pick up your torso. Put your torso down. Bring your legs up. 4 more, okay? Lower down. Exhale up. Down. Lift. That's 2, okay? Down. Exhale. Come up. Down, lift. Good. Last 2 right here. Lower down, hold, bring the torso up, hold, bring the legs up, head down. Last time, lower. Good. Hover, reach. 3, 2, 1, lay flat. All right, now we're going to work through that. It's called a hollow hold. So take those arms way up and over the head for me. Exhale when you're ready. You're going to scoop the belly and lift. 4, 3, come on, 2, lower. Good. Let's do 3 more. Up, 4, 3, 2, lower. Woo. 2 more. Up, 4, come on, 3, 2, you're strong. Last rep. Here we go. Up, 4, 3, come on, 2, lower. Nice. Right knee comes to chest. Pick up your head. Switch, 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 switch. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hug those knees in tight. Perfect. Flip it on over. All right. Forearms down for me right here. Over halfway through. Core should feel tight. We're going right, left, right, left. So we're doing hip dips for the first time as we roll those hips from side to side, obliques. Firing, give me 8. Good, give me 7. Really roll those feet, give me 6. Yes, you can, give me 5. Yes, 4 reps to go. 3. Good, 2. 1 more each side. Perfect. Hold steady here. 3, 2, high plank. 1 hand and then the other. So stay strong right here. We got about 90 seconds left, okay? Take another big inhale. Exhale, lower down. Use your core and then tap. All right, so we're hovering, we're tapping, and then 1, 2, 3, up. All right, give me 3 more of those. Hover, 3, 2, 1. Tap, ready, set, press. 2 more to go. Hover, 3, 2, 1. Tap, ready, set, press. 1 more time. Hover, 3, 2, 1. Tap, push up. Good. Lay down onto your back. All right, back to bicycles in 3, 2, twist. All right, now we're going for 3s. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2. 1 more right. 1, 2, 3. Now lay flat, arms over the head, okay? 3 rounds of hollow hold. And 3, scoop the belly. You know this is hard. 2, hold it. 4, 3, 2, rest. All right, go. 4, come on. 3, 2, rest. One more time. Ready, set, up. 4, 3, 2, come all the way up. Yes! 5 minutes. Way to go, guys. Thanks for joining me for Take 5 on day 6. I'll see you soon to finish out our full 7-day week tomorrow. Thanks.